The Road Safety Road Rules 2017 states that if the driver is turning left or right or making a U-turn, the driver must also give way to any pedestrian at or near the intersection who is crossing the road or part of the road the driver is entering. All road users, including drivers, cyclists, and even pedestrians, owe a duty of care to their fellow road users. If a driver of a motor vehicle fails to take reasonable care to avoid hitting a pedestrian, they may be held liable for any injuries or damages that result. In terms of driving test, if you fail to give way to any pedestrian, that's an instant fail.